Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the phone. We're doing it real big at work. I want to share with you some of the do's and don'ts of cans and bins. Check it out. What is that, a BMW? That's way too close. I don't want to damage any property, so I'm gonna have to get out and move them. You might want to do the same, because if I accidentally do damage property, it's coming one way or another from your pocket. Let me explain. Have you heard of taxes? Yeah, that's where it's coming from. So I don't want to do that. Don't give me a chance or any driver to do that. So try and get your cans away from, at least 2-3 feet away from your car or property. Even the mailboxes here too. Let's go move them. I'm sure your friendly neighborhood garbage truck driver will appreciate it very much if you guys do your part. All right, the blue one was collected already, so let's just get that one way out of the way. And I got plenty of room over here, so let's bring them out. Oh, that's better. I feel confident that I'm not gonna damage anything like this. All right, let's do it. Now, these residents, they do this all the time, so I'm gonna have to tag them. I don't have some on this truck to tag them, but I'm gonna tag them next week. See if maybe they can help me out. Success! Good job. Alright guys, before we continue with the video, I'm gonna do a giveaway of a blue can. Let me make sure it's empty. Let me empty it out for you. I don't know how we're gonna fit this in the mail. I'm gonna have to shrink it. Let me do some movie magic. Here it is, my guys. I was able to shrink it. This is gonna fit in the mail. Anyways, listen to the end of the video to find out how you can win this one. We're gonna raffle it out. Oh, super cool. Has wheels and everything. Like DJ Khaled says, another one. They don't do it every week, so I'm gonna move them. So do's and don't. Those were don'ts. Quiet. Those were don't. This is a do. Look at this. This is beautiful. On red, so there's no cars parked nearby. Separated. Look at. The green one's not touching the blue one, and the blue one's not touching the black one, and vice versa. Look, beautiful. Love it. Good job, people. Yeah, we're back. Sorry, there's a lot of don'ts. Don't overflow your can. Look at this. That's a blue bin, and there's already trash recyclables on the ground. Look at that. Wind and homeless people, they come by and they just wreak havoc and leave everything on the ground. We're not responsible to pick anything up unless we did it. And if it's overflowing like this, yeah, it's not our fault, it's not our duty. So try not to do that. Wait for next week, or maybe put it in a bag on the side, but you can't do that every week either. So, you know, you can ask us if you had a party, you have extra garbage, Yeah, you can ask us. We understand if you had a party on the weekend, but every week it's not acceptable. You would have to get another pin for a charge, a service charge. But yeah, look at that. Crazy. Check out this street, my guys. I love it. I love it. Anybody know why? There's hardly any cars here. Awesome. These two black cans that I'm about to get, they're perfect, they're beautiful, but which one do I prefer? That placement or this one? Let me tell you, it's gonna be this one. This one's better because it's away from the curb. This street is known for flooding, and if there was water going through there, it'll probably potentially take the can. So this one's better than that one, but I don't mind both. Either one is fine. It's just my personal preference would be this one. Also, if there was a car parked here, it'll be easier to grab that one. I wouldn't have to extend my arm as far to grab this one versus that one. Got it? Cool. Alright, look at this. Good job on using trash bags, but you gotta tie them up. Otherwise, trash is gonna leak out. Look at that, two of them are open. Let's see if we can collect it without dropping anything. Alright, we got it. Secure your bags. Trash bags, that is. Secure your trash bags. Today I'm on a CNG truck. Yesterday I was on a diesel. Let's pick up our last can. Well, not our last can, but let's go get some lunch. Arm movement and collecting and driving the truck is all by the driver. There's no computer machining the arm or anything like that. It's all controlled by the driver, so we gotta make sure we brake right in front of the can, align it, and pick it up with these switches, close clamp, cart up, and arm out or in. It's all by the driver. No AI here. AI ain't got nothing on us. Back from lunch. I'm over here collecting my last can, but not really. I'm gonna skip this one. We're the city of LA. We're not Republic. Sneaky, sneaky. The black one is Republic, the green and the blue one is City of LA. So I don't know what's going on there, but I can't tag it. It's not mine. It's not ours. So let's skip it. This is my third time at the landfill, trying to clean out, make sure the truck is empty. That's empty enough. That's better. If it's raining, it's muddy. Gets the truck super dirty. If it's dry, all the dust gets the truck very dirty. There's the valley. Five freeway. 210. Well, I'm done for the day, thank God. Tire thread is awesome. I did find something wrong over here. It looks wet. That's hydraulic oil. It's probably from the cylinder that's in there. I'm gonna write it up for that. Here's the other side. Yeah, that's leaking. Let's kick the tires. The coolant is good. Power steering. Pretty good. Hydraulic oil level. That's still good enough right there. All my Christmas lights are working. No flat tires. All right, I tagged it. That means nobody take the truck. Something's wrong with it, which is the clamp leak. I like to power everything down when I'm done for the day. So let's do it. Windows up. Cool. This is the fan. It's on auto, manual. I like to keep the truck cool. Hazard lights, running lights, headlights, radio, PTO, external lights, PTO, AC, fan, which is this one right here. Cool. External light. Is it on or off? There you go. I think that's it. And the ignition, of course, is on the left side. So this is a CNG truck. The diesels had metal up there. This one's plastic. And look at that. Look at what plastic does. It's broken. It's Friday. Let's go home. My bag is super heavy. Oh no! That's what we call a breakdown, a tow-in. I was a tow-in yesterday, I believe, or Wednesday. I don't remember. Check out this truck. This one's brand new. I don't think nobody's taken it out yet. Every day is Earth Day. Super clean. I wonder why the cart rail and the clamps are not yellow. Let's go check out a yellow one. This one's a new one too. It's been used, and the clamp and the cart is yellow. It's pretty cool. I like that color scheme right there. Oh, look at the dog. He literally lives in the yard. Anyways, long day today, but at least it's Friday. I gotta go home. All right, I'm back home. Here's Buddy. He looks bored. There's Javi House gaming. And here's the can. All right, in order to win this, you're gonna enter the raffle. You need to like, share, and subscribe. Comment that you want to win, and then we'll be raffling it out. It's a blue recycle bin. It's one of the wide ones, the big ones. Make sure you hurry up because it might not last. You hear that? Yep, Godzilla might destroy it. Oh no! That's crazy. Get it out of the way. Alright, my guys. Woo. If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe, hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do, comment if you like. Bye. L.A. Danny out. What's up, my guy? Oh, hey, you stayed to the end of the video. Well, this one, I'm not going to raffle it out, but I'm going to show it to you. Pretty cool pink can from City of L.A. Ooh, I have some goodies in there I forgot about. Maybe some toys. Pretty cool, huh? It's a pink one. I think it was for like cancer awareness or something like that. Yeah, just wanted to let you see it.